How to create a Wattpad account. So if you want to create a Wattpad account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now in the search bar, search for Wattpad. And after searching, on the first search you will have www.wattpad.com. Click on that. And now if you want to create an account, then you can go to login, which is on the upper right corner, and then you can go to sign up, which is on the bottom. And now after clicking on sign up, you will have this kind of page. So you can sign up with your Facebook account, or you can also sign up with your Google account, or you can also sign up with your email. But if you already have an account, then you can click on login, and then you have to log into your account. But to create, click on sign up with email, and then you have to enter a username, and after entering your username, enter an email address on the next blank. And after entering your email, you have to create a password. So the password must have at least 8 characters, and it should include 1 letter, 1 number, and 1 special character. And on the next blank, you have to confirm your password. So let's enter the password first. And after entering your password, you have to choose your birthday. And after choosing your birth date, click here so that you agree to the terms and services and the privacy policy. And after entering all of this information, you can click on sign up with email. And now you can choose any one of these. And after choosing, click on next. And then you have to enter your gender. And after choosing, you can click on next. And now you have to choose up to 3 items that you love. And after choosing, you can click on finish. And now click on start reading. And that's it. That's how you create a Wattpad account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.